I'm truly honored to partner with NIO today. Brother Bing and I want to jointly announce that Lotus and NIO will cooperate on the battery standard in the design of the charging industry swap technology, battery asset management, and operation, the construction and operation of the charging swap network, the research and development and customization of the swap model, full cooperation in charging swap and other areas, in-depth strategic cooperation. The handover was very powerful, even more than I could handle. In short, it is deep cooperation.
Now, I swear to God, everybody is not understanding the full significance of this Lotus swap deal, all right? This is a deal unlike any other deals that NIO has done in the past, all right? This is, for the first time ever, a non-Chinese brand, even though Lotus is sort of semi-Chinese, but Lotus has a lot more international recognition than like Chang'an or JC or these other car brands. It is one of the truly international car brands that is respected and well known, and most importantly, all right, well known by everybody across the world. If you ask a person in Brazil if they know Chang'an Motors, they probably wouldn't know Chang'an Motors. But if you ask them, do they know Lotus, they would probably know Lotus. Okay, so what this has really done for us is international recognition. All right, this is the most important thing. Everybody was thinking swap is dumb, swap is stupid. You know, this just changes everything when it comes to that. For the first time ever, a international luxurious posh car company, Lotus, is adopting battery swap and is going to be pushing forward with battery standardization and also co-developing swapping stations, swapping batteries. Their cars are going to be able to do battery swaps in the future, and they are committed. And you see the CEO of Lotus, how committed he is. When he said that at the start of this video, you heard how enthusiastic he is, all right? He's not just like, oh, we're shaking hands and this is it. He's going all in on this, guys. He's going all in. He's more enthusiastic about this than William Lee is. That's how crazy this is, okay? They're going to be building swap stations together. Their cars are going to be able to do battery swap. Now, of course, the big question, is this the one? Is this the super big heavyweight car company that the head of NIO Power said that they would be signing in March, April to join in on battery swap? Well, I am inclined to say no. Okay. First of all, this does tick all the boxes. This is a big, massive company with international recognition, with a very long history, all right, and it is well respected. However, I would not consider this a heavyweight. I would not consider Lotus a heavyweight car company. But what we've heard from the co-founder of NIO is that there is actually a lot more partners in the pipeline that they have already signed but not yet announced. All right, you guys know that as back as November of last year, I talked about Lotus deal with NIO, and you know, I'm using the same thumbnail as this video, but you get the point. And back then it was titled, oh, Lotus NIO deal, Geely deal. We got both. We got Geely and we got Lotus. Wow. What's more to come? Mercedes? Porsche? How about BYD? Because we know that NIO CEO has been complimenting BYD's CEO, has been complimenting Chery's CEO. Xiaomi is probably going to adopt a battery swap very soon as well. So when he compliments these CEOs, you know, after a while, they eventually partner up. We know that Leap Motors CEO is actually good pals with William Lee. They were university buddies. So Leap Motors CEO said that they actually want to partner up with NIO. Could Leap Motor be also one of them? All right, but Leap Motor would also not qualify as the one, the big heavyweight. So I'm inclined to think that there are actually more partners down the line that they gotta announce soon. Well, there are confirmed by the co-founder, but I'm thinking that this is not the heavyweight. This, I think, is just a middleweight. All right, a middleweight or a light heavyweight at best. Okay, it's not the true heavyweight. We're waiting for a guy like BYD to come in and adopt battery swap, which I think they will eventually do. Okay, and while yes, Lotus doesn't sell a lot of cars compared to some of the other car companies, but we're seeing the commitment from Lotus CEO, right, means less R&D expenses from NIO because they're going to be jointly developing battery swapping solutions in the future. It also means less capex for NIO because Lotus will also be building swap stations as well. So this is all good. This is all going to help NIO's shareholders. Less money that they have to spend. And also the big plus, don't ever forget this, international publicity, great publicity with Lotus joining in on battery swap. You guys probably never heard of those other partners that NIO signed up with, but Lotus, this is definitely something that will get the attention of everybody. All right, everybody. All right, even people that are not considering investing in NIO, they hear that NIO, EV company in China, stock price around $4 per share, but Lotus signed in on a partnership with these guys? What the hell? And I want to end off with this important statement from Mr. Feng Feng, which is CEO of Lotus Group. He said, the innovative mode of power swap and car electricity separation is an important direction for national policy support and encouragement. It can not only well protect the health and safety of users' batteries, but also allow users to continue to enjoy the progress of battery technology. He hopes that Lotus and NIO will cooperate and open up sharing in the field of charging and swapping in the future. Users on both sides can not only experience Lotus's track genes and ultimate product performance, but also enjoy the convenient service experience brought by NIO's charging and swap network all over the country. So my important message to NIO stockholders, be happy that we got this one. This is going to be a great one. There are more to come. Just be patient. All right, and NIO stock has essentially bottomed. The shorts are screwed regardless, right? Hang in there. Don't buy at the top and sell at the bottom like some of the other guys do. But, you know, are you going to be selling out of desperation and fear, or are you going to be reaping the rewards of all these partnerships and the sub-brand and the sub-brand? They spent the money. They're reaping the rewards very soon. And we have bottom, guys.